Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache and cookies in the DuckDuckGo app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, look at the top or bottom corner of the screen and tap the three dot or menu icon. This opens the menu. Next, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option called Data Clearing or Fire Button Setting. Now you will see an option to clear tabs and browsing data, which includes cache and cookies. Tap on Clear Data or Fire button. DuckDuckGo may ask you to confirm, tap Clear or Confirm. Once you do this, DuckDuckGo will automatically delete your cache, cookies, and browsing history. You will notice that all open tabs are closed and your browsing data is completely removed. This helps keep your activity private and can make the app work better. And that's it. We have successfully cleared cache and cookies in DuckDuckGo on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.